Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. So today I am sharing with you my clean and decorate with me for Valentine's Day, and I am so excited to share this with you guys. I was actually super excited to decorate because my house has been so bare since we took down our Christmas stuff, and while I love having a fresh clean slate and just kind of like a refresh, I was so ready to start decorating again. It just felt so empty. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video and it gives you some motivation to get some things done, but also some inspiration on some decorating ideas for your own home. But let's just go ahead and get into it. Before we get too far into this, I just wanted to say hello. Some of you guys might recognize me. I have another channel and it's been like a Mod Podge of a ton of different videos over the past, I'd say, 2 years. And originally cleaning videos were not my favorite to do, and I have really changed how I felt about them. They have made my own home such a happier home. So I thought I would gear this channel and focus on all things cleaning related. It'll just be anywhere from your cleaning motivation, organizing hacks and tips and tricks of just keeping your house clean and happy. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for being here and watching this, and I really hope you guys enjoy this channel and what we are going to have on it and what we have to offer. So be sure to subscribe if you guys are not already, and again, thank you so much for watching this today. Okay, so as you can see, we are starting in our bedroom, and I just wanted to do a quick cleaning, wipe things down before I started decorating. It has been way too long since I've wiped down any of our dressers. So that definitely needed to be done, but my goal was to just keep things super simple and just add a little bit of pop of color, just so everything can really stay up after Valentine's Day is over, with the exception of, the hearty Valentine's Day things. So that was just my goal for our bedroom.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one.
Okay, so moving downstairs, I hadn't planned on doing a whole lot today, and I'm not 100% done with the rest of like the non-Valentine's Day decor. So I might save that for another video, so stay tuned. But moving downstairs, I'm just going to do a really quick cleanup like I did in the bedroom. Straighten up the pillows, put the blankets away, put the toys away. And then moving into the kitchen, I'm going to be kind of cleaning off the counters so I have space to decorate and all that good stuff. And just like the bedroom, I really just wanted to go with a simple look with just some pops of color. And yeah, I really enjoyed how all of this came out.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us.
Okay, so now that the rooms are pretty straightened up and cleaned, I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating now, and I was seriously so excited. and I really loved how everything turned out. But the garland, I think I'm going to keep up even after Valentine's Day, just because to me it isn't just a Valentine's Day garland. It feels like it's more of a spring garland, and I think it's just so pretty. So I might move it into our bedroom afterwards. Haven't really decided yet. And then the books here, what I'm doing is just adding a pop of red ribbon. I thought it would add the perfect amount of color down in the shelves, and I love how it came out. It's so perfect.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. Can't focus. I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
And then over here, this is actually a new piece. We just added these a couple of days ago. I wanted to add just a little bit of color, and I think I want to add something that has red in it. I just haven't found the right length of flowers because I have done so many trips back and forth to Hobby Lobby. It's kind of hilarious, and everything that I've gotten is just too long. So I just want to keep looking and find something that is a little shorter and will add just some pops of red to it for Valentine's Day. But I absolutely love these. They are exactly what I was picturing for this room. I love it. Okay, so moving into the kitchen, I have this little glass vase set that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I always change out the flowers per season. And so the flowers that I'm putting in here actually came in like a bouquet, and what I did is just kind of cut it apart and I'm separating the flowers so I could use them for multiple parts of the room. I just felt like the bouquet wasn't going to get much use out of it, and it worked for our other house for the mantle, but it just wasn't going to work like that for our new house. And then for my tiered tray, I hadn't really figured out what I was going to do, so I had to play around with it quite a bit, but I do really love how it turned out. It is very Valentine's Day.
You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
So I also wanted to try a new thing this year. I don't normally display any kind of candy, but in the spirit of Valentine's Day, I wanted to put out some little kisses and the Valentine's Day M&Ms, which I'm kind of kicking myself now because I find myself grabbing a few M&Ms here and there. So I don't think I will display candy very often because it's just way too easy to snack on.
Your mess, found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
Okay, so while I am kind of fiddling around with the flowers for my tiered tray, I wanted to ask you guys really quick if you have a tiered tray or some sort of tray that you decorate for your house. Do you change it around and decorate every season, or do you kind of have like a standard look for your tiered tray? I've kind of gone back and forth. I love decorating for every season, but sometimes I feel like I just want to keep it the same. And then, but knowing myself, I'll just get bored of it. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys do with your trays down below. And then I absolutely love how this came out. It is so simple, and I am going to definitely keep this up even after Valentine's Day. I have another little block sign that says Farm Fresh that I will be putting up instead of the love sign, and you guys, I love how this came out. It is so cute.
So don't wonder what I got into, what I get into. I'll bet that he's smiling, but in not.
So this was a last minute find at Hobby Lobby, and it was 40% off, so I had to pick it up. It is so stinking cute. I love it. Originally it was going to go in our bedroom, but I decided to hang it over my coffee pot area, and I absolutely love it. And then just adding some greenery to the kitchen table to complete the look. But that's gonna do it for today's Clean and Decorate with me for Valentine's Day. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and it gave you some motivation to get some things done and some inspiration to decorate your own home. Make sure you guys are subscribed before you leave here, and we will see you in our next video. Bye!